Okay, good evening, guys. Today we have a guest session with Mr. Aniket Kesarkar. He is General Secretary of World Ring Football Federation, General President at Indian Ring Football Federation, Joint Secretary of Esports Federation of India, Joint Secretary at Futsal Association of Maharashtra, and many more. Aniket, now you can proceed.
Hello friends, how are you? Uh, I would like everyone to.
I'm good, sir. How are you?
I'm very good, thanks. How's everything happening in the lockdown?
Quite difficult, toughest situation.
I can completely understand. A lot of businesses have taken a toll over this situation, and uh, this sports industry and entertainment industry has taken a huge hit. And I assume you are. I'm speaking to Nishad, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, from the jersey which you're wearing, I think you're working or associated with Rush Academy, I believe.
Yeah, India Rush.
Oh, very nice, very nice. I've heard a lot of name of Rush Academy. Past 5 years, I think more than 5 years, they are in
Yeah, eight
Indian
eight
sport.
years.
Perfect. So, yes, all the especially coaches, because coaches are completely dependent on academies employment, and I can understand that it's been a huge hit. Um, Anybody else who would like to introduce? I would like to know each of y'all so that I can help you with my introduction, and then we can go ahead with the session today. Nishat, it was nice meeting you. I would like others to, voluntarily speak to me so that a quick uh, 2 minute conversation, then we'll go ahead. Sania, can you ask each of them or one by one to introduce themselves?
Yeah. Gagan, you can just unmute yourself and give a description of yours.
If you can start video,
Yes,
that will
yes.
also be great.
Good evening, sir. It's a good afternoon.
Yeah, that's fine. Can you start the video if it is possible?
Okay, just a second.
Yeah.
After Gagan, Sagar, be ready.
And Sania, you also be there on the video. I want your video to be.
Hi, sir.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. And what about you?
I'm good. I'm good. How old are you?
I'm 16 now.
I
completing
assume
16. Yes.
I assume you are a player.
Yeah, I'm a player.
Okay. You play any club or anywhere or?
No, I'm not playing for a club, but I had taken training from my school. Our
Oh,
school
very
was
nice.
having a SRS club from Mumbai only.
Very nice. You're from Mumbai or somewhere else?
No, I'm from Lonavala.
Perfect. Next, I'll address myself after I speak to everyone, and then
Sagar, if
I'll.
you can just unmute and introduce.
Yeah, I can introduce myself. So, hello, myself Sagar Raichura, and I live in Umagam. So, how's the situation in your place?
Currently, everything is red in Mumbai at least. So, where you stay? You said?
It's a small town, Umargam.
Where is it? Is it in Maharashtra or outside Maharashtra?
It's in Gujarat.
Okay, Gujarat. Nice, nice. So, you play for any club or currently how is it?
No. Actually, I want to play for a club, but there are no clubs available here. So,
Okay. So,
I'm trying.
which is the biggest city close by? Is it Surat or Ahmedabad or
Um,
Kutch?
yes, Surat and that side only. Mumbai is the most close, but traveling issues, that's why.
Okay, I understand. Perfect. Okay, next I'll.
And Shaja, if you both can also introduce.
Hi, sir.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you, sir?
I'm good. I'm good. Tell me something about you. Which city you're from? Are you coach or a player?
I'm from Kerala.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just 22.
Okay.
I'm
Which city?
working
Which city in Kerala?
Kerala in Wayanad.
Okay, okay, okay. Nice. And currently
And
you're working.
yeah, I'm working as physical education teacher.
Oh, very nice. So you are uh, into a field of teaching. I mean, it's a most divine and sacred field, according to me, because uh, with your knowledge you share, and then a lot of students follow you. So it's a very good work you're doing. I'm very proud of you.
Yeah.
How's things in Kochi? Sorry, in Kerala side. How are the things?
What's up? Not clear?
How are the things in South in Kerala? How are the things? I mean, in the coronavirus and all. Is it
So
getting better?
all of it is 1,000 something.
Okay. So you're safe, right now.
Yeah, I'm safe, sir.
Perfect. Next, Sania.
Yes, Aniket. All done.
Who's the next? No.
I
I think
Shahjahan,
Shashikant.
Shashikant. Both were left.
Okay, Shashikant, can you help yourself?
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Myself, Shashikant. I am from Mumbai. I'm just currently playing Elite Division.
Oh, wow. We have a pro player here. Very
Yes.
nice.
Thank you, sir.
Which club?
RSS Spartans. RSS
R.
Spartans. Spartans.
Okay.
RSS.
Okay. Is it this year they got introduced, or it's there from a very long time?
Uh,
Spartan.
uh, this year. RSS Spartans this year.
Okay.
In Elite Division. New
Very
team.
nice.
This year they got promoted.
Yeah.
Wow.
Last season they
Congrats,
had.
congrats.
This season Spartans collaborated.
Very nice. Congrats. Very nice.
Thank you.
So I think I have spoken to everyone, I believe. If anybody is left, please unmute and proactively let me know.
All done, Aniket.
Okay, perfect.
Rest people will join in later. Think so.
Okay, perfect. So I'll get to my introduction. So I started just like you all as a player. So I'm hardcore footballer. I've played till state level from Sindhudurg district, then in regular football, state level. Then I was supposed to go for nationals, but then I got some injuries. So in futsal, this is before the injury. In futsal, I had got an opportunity. It came to India in 2008. However, this game was not very much popular. So in 2013, I was introduced to trials at Delhi Public School, and then from trials, I got selected for Malaysia, the first international team which participated international event of Under 23 Asia Cup, in which I was the captain of Indian futsal team. That's where the journey started internationally, and then I played. After under 23, I played for seniors in Spain, Lloret de Mar. And after seniors, I got a chance to become share my knowledge as a player and become a coach, because I was also doing coaching and all. So I coached C17 team of Indian futsal team for World Cup in Chile, South America. After that, I got many opportunities to play as well as to coach or manage. The last time I played professionally was in 2017, in which I was playing for in Football 7 Association of India as a captain of Indian Football 17, and my last career as a coach or manager was in FISEC Games in 2017 in Italy, in which India won bronze medal. And this is the same team of under 17, and this was futsal. So in 2014, Indian futsal under 17 team lost by 30-0 against Colombia. However, in FISEC Games in 2017 Italy, we secured bronze position. So over the year, my after as a playing career, I came back to Mumbai, and I decided that I want to contribute on a higher level. That is not on a management level, not on a management level, but at an administration level. So in management, what you do is you take a team, you make them the best players, but if the administration is not good enough, then the players are lost. So, for example, for 20 years, we scout the best players, and after 20 years, when they are of a particular age to play, that batch performs well. But if the administration is not good enough, after that there is no consistency. So I contested for the elections of Mumbai. I became first youngest secretary of Futsal Association of Mumbai. I'm still the secretary. Then I contested for Maharashtra elections. I won. I became joint secretary. Then I contested for the position of COO of Futsal Association of India. I became COO. Then after becoming COO, the first thing I did was organizing Premier Futsal in India. So we got in touch um, with Xavier Brito from Chennai. He is an logistic industrialist, investor of the league. He signed a deal with us for 250 crores investment in Premier Futsal for over the 5 years. But for some reason, he has to back out, and after the season two, he was not able to continue. So so the first thing which was in my head was to give a platform to all the players and employment to all the players so that they make some money, and once the player makes some money and there is viewership for that particular sport, then the whole system works smoothly. So my forte is more like an administration or management related subjects, or you can say um, how things should fall in place. For players, I can share my some tips which they can practice at home. The tips which or some values which I use to become a good player. But more than player, I'm a good administrator. So what is ring football, or why do we think there is a need of this? So first of all, understanding that every sport has their roots. So no sport is just come out of the blue moon in a single day. So even football, it has a very long history. So at some point of time, it was just a source of entertainment, and it was just used as a fun. It became an industry after we evaluated, or after uh, there are people who are liking it. So in same way, ring football is not in India for from 2 years. The organization uh, which has united all the Indians is established in 2018, but the sport is more than 30-40 years old. It is a Mumbai sport. It was there in Mumbai in inter-Catholic competition, in churches, in inter schools, in festivals, college festivals. So this sport has root in Mumbai. What Indian Ring Football Federation or World Ring Football Federation is doing is showing the world that there is this sport which is very much popular in Mumbai, and if you like, you can also join hands with us. And you won't believe, but it is getting a huge popularity, because recently Aditya Thackeray also mentioned in his Yuva Khel Utsav that he is supporting ring football. We don't have any direct relations with anyone, but for the sport, people come together. So according to me, what I believe is future is indoor sport. Future of Indian sports is indoor, because people have less time and people will be more interested in fast games. Futsal, ring football is just 30 minutes. It is 4v4, so it can be played on the dormant basketball courts. You can see the concrete basketball courts; they are everywhere, but they are not in use, or they are just played for a particular sport, basketball. With ring football, with small goalposts, those vacant spaces can become a professional game. And secondly, w- the skills which are required for ring football are completely different. So in ring football, it's not just only goals. So if you're good at skills, so and if you put a nutmeg, then the team gets awarded. If three consecutive three nutmegs are there in a game, then you get a penalty kick. So if a single player is having a skill, he can shine and he can make the team win. So it's not always the striker or the scorer who is awarded in this sport. It is sometimes the most quickest player who can make the game win. So these are few different changes which allow this sport to be more entertaining and more fast than regular football or even futsal. So with this vision, we spoke to nearly all the different coaches around India, and we thought of of taking doing a demonstration of inter-club competition. So we hosted a competition in Belgium, and we asked all the clubs to participate and give their feedback about ring football. You won't believe, after the first season, in second season, there were so many clubs which were interested to participate that we literally have to do regional qualifiers in 10 different cities. So in the first season, we only had 20 to 25 teams, but in IRFL season 3, we had in every city there were more than 10 teams, out of which one team got qualified and then participated for IRFL season 2. So according to me, I believe that ring football has a huge potential, and someday this sport will become an history, and it will also have a huge history. So where did ring football come from? So there is one competition which is inter-Parsi competition, which happens at WCG. That is, um, there is a gymkhana over here. That's one of the oldest competition which is happening. It's known by WCG Cup, and
Wellington.
yes,
Gymkhana.
Wellington Gymkhana. So Wellington Gymkhana is one of the oldest
The inter-parish होता है.
inter-parish WCG. So I have spoken to few. You must be knowing Cardos, and so these are the people who are very much interested or like this format, and they have been motivating to promote this sport, and I think so far the organization is doing well. Before Corona, we were gonna host the international ring football league in Indonesia, in which we had invited more than 20 teams, that 20 clubs from 10 different cities, and it was going to happen in the month of May. However, now because of this situation, we had to postpone that event. We had kept an AGM, international AGM, annual general body meeting, and we were going to do a press conference and inform that the international league is going to start. But because of this situation, I think we need to wait. Now there will be next event for ring football will be again IRFL season IRFL season 4, that will be in IRFL season 3, that will be in Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar. We were gonna declare there, but because of the Indo-China war, again these things got postponed. So we were supposed to send an inspector to finalize, to do Reiki and finalize whether everything is happening or not. So now I think till 2021 we need to wait for some updates. For players, what I can suggest is I'll start from all the from players, then higher in the management. So for players, what I will inform you or suggest you is start using sole part of your feet. The more you use the sole part, the more control you have over the ball. The ball will be completely different than regular football. It's a futsal ball. So if the ball comes on your feet, it just get stick to your leg like a magnet. So it's much easier than the regular football to trap or to control. The ball is smaller in size, so you can easily control it. So futsal, imagine in your head, ring football is something which is like, eagle have palms like this to catch the prey or something. In ring football, it is similarly, your legs are so used to of the control of the ball that your leg catches the ball and have the grip like this. So you need to start feeling that confidence. Maybe order one futsal ball at your place and start practice with it. A ball will make a huge difference because it's a low ball and it gives you a huge control. And start using the void space like parking lots once this situation gets in control in building. And all the goalpost dimensions and everything our management team will send you, so that you can either weld your own goalpost. It's the least expensive thing to weld. Hardly in 2 or 3 grands you will have a pair of goalposts at your own place. If you want dimensions, we will send you, or if you want, you can directly order from Decathlon. For one goalpost is 3,000. For a pair, it will be 6,000. So they are readily available at a Decathlon. Secondly, you can practice in your building in any void space, flat surface. Soon the team will come up with training videos of how you can train at your own vicinity. For players, for coaches, different modules will be there. So this is for players. For coaches or referees, what I would inform you is that when we have a national league, that time we have a referee and coaches seminar in which we address details, information, theoretical, practical information about the game, and you get one complete year to fulfill all those criterias. And next year you get licenses for the city level or state level or national level, depending on the league. So for example, it's a national league. That means we are currently issuing licenses for state or city coaches. And when there will be an international league, that time we will be issuing licenses accordingly. So there is a complete system which will be given out to you once the date of the national league is confirmed. And I'll give you a contact of Ruturaj and other people, Pratima, Ruturaj or Nilesh. You can get in touch with them. They will let you know when we are giving the state licenses or city licenses or a national licenses. So from every city, only one coach is allowed to get those license in a year. So for example, if there are 10 teams, then only 10 coaches and 10 referees will get an opportunity to apply for the whole year. I mean, to fulfill the criteria for the whole year. And in next year, they will get a certified license. So what is the module when the league is happening, when the nationals are happening? That time coaches are going through a different set of training, and they are guided with what they need to do whole year, so that they can they become a certified coaches or referee. Once you become a licensed coach or a national coach, the advantage is that when the team participates internationally for any international competition, only those coaches who are certified with us, they get to become a coach of the team, and on a different age group. So if there are 5 different age group teams participating internationally, then and there are 10 coaches which got qualified for the first year, then 7 will get an employment, and rest 3 will be pushed for the next year or the next event which will come. Currently, how many coaches or referees we have appointed or qualified for on the national level is we have done 20 coach, 10 coaches and 10 referees, which participated in IRFL season 2. Okay, so this is the current scenario which is there, and they are yet not full. So they have a year time to fulfill all the criteria, and then they will get a certification. So this is for coaches and referees. Then on above them, there is a district secretary or a district administrator. So first for players, I have informed. Coaches, referees, I have informed. The third level. So imagine it's like a pyramid. In players, there are a lot of players. There are a lot of players, and uh, and as you go up the ladder, the number of people will reduce, but the training, the quality, the age, that will increase. So in administration, what is your work? Your work is to organize events. You will be trained on how to organize events, how to get sponsors, how to manage a league of a regional league, how you can be a part of national league, and as a volunteer, you if you are a verified manager, certified manager from. So when the nationals happen, there are three positions, three officials uh, which are supposed to participate for the skill training program. That's a coach, referee, and third is manager. Not the club manager. He's into a management, like getting sponsorship, how to approach, how to create a proposal presentation, how to get the designing, how the structure should be there, how to make finances modules, how to allocate work to people, how much budget, how to do budgeting. These all training we give to the manager, so that he becomes a city level manager or city level representative. Suppose there is the buyer of the club is the association itself in the national league. In that situation, this manager will be the utmost importance for you, because he's the one who will do crowdfunding, raising crowdfunding, and all things will be known by him. So that's the administration part one. In administration, the position which is there is of COO or CEO in the association. This is administrator. Above administrator, there is there is called delegation. So in delegation, it is like president, secretary general, treasurer, members. So member is usually members are CEO and CEO. This delegation, so president is the one who puts money. So he is the investor of the union. So when you form a city union, so president is the one who puts money. Secretary general is a person who has contacts, who has a network, and who has a team which executes event, or who has people working for him. For example, if you are like one person said that he is a teacher in a school, so by default he has a team which will execute the work. Suppose if he is asked to organize any event, he would be able to do it, because he has 10 to 15 people working under him or listening to him for operations. So secretary general is that kind of person. Treasurer is usually the person who is good at accounts, who is the faithful guy, who will never cheat in the accounts, or misplace the money which has been given by the president to. Are you able to listen to me? It got muted by mistake. Okay. So these three are the big administration positions. Once you become administrator, so player, after player, you become coach or manager. So in order to become coach or manager, you need to play. That is important. After player, you become coach or manager. After coach and manager, you become coach or referee. You can become manager, and after manager, you can become an administrator. After administrator, you can run for elections. So from Mumbai, suppose you are from Kochi, from Kerala, and somebody else is from. You have any question, Nishad? Okay. So suppose one person is from Kochi, and other person is from Bangalore, and he is already an administrator of his city. Every 4 years there will be elections for state. He can contest for the election, and he can become a secretary general or a president of a state association. From state he can contest elections. After 4 years he can contest for India Association. He can become a member of India Association. From India he can for Asia. From Asia he can become for world. So there is a proper career path. If you are not just interested in football, you want to grow with for example, early injuries disturbs career of lot of players. In that situation they can always opt for becoming coaching or coaches or referees. In coaches, if you are not happy with the coaching, you can go into management. In management, there are a lot of fields. There are marketing, there are operations, there are a lot of teams. So you can choose to take up one of the team. If you are good at influencing people, or you are a political type of person, then you can motivate the youth to come into sports, leave bad bad things like drugs and all these things. They can keep. So these all things are the cause why we are uniting people. So the reason ring football or any other sport came into existence is to make sure that youth have a bright future. They are having a good fitness. The social cause that we should, the discipline that we should have, uh, love towards our country. We should keep our country clean. So all these small causes, these informations are given to the youth. So that's the reason when all the sportsmen unite, we try to build these values in them, so that they keep in their heart to respect elders, to respect parents, all these values, to respect coaches, and all these values are what the sport is standing for. So for us, for ring football, the value play fair is the utmost priority. Then comes players health, players fitness. Then it is commercialization. For us it is players, and after players it is health, and it is the commercialization part of the sport. So this is a short information of what I do, where I come from, what is my vision. Where do I see ring football? I see ring football as popular as futsal. Like futsal is 70 years old. Football is more than 70 years old. It's a very old game. And I see ring football in coming future to give an alternate option for the youth who are not that great in regular football, but they are quick with the feet. So for ring football, the skill set is more precious than the stamina perspective. So for example, football is marathon, then ring football is sprint. That's the difference. So for me, what is important? To give platform to all different players. From players, to give employment to coaches and managers and referees. After giving employment to them, making sure that the administration is having a uh, healthy way of structuring. So if you see any other sports association, they don't functional efficiently, or they don't function transparently. So there are a lot of instances that selectors are rigged. There are a lot of instances that the coaches, which are of state team or a national team, they come on that position through politics. So for us, everyone is same. It is the rules. If you qualify for that particular work, you will get that work. It is open for everyone. It is not politically. It is transparent. This is the motto behind formation of or promotion of ring football in India and the world. Now I would request everyone to come up with their questions one by one on this session. And for tomorrow, I have asked Sania to, if we can have 1v1 session with all the people who are currently associated with us, so that I can understand in depth about what they want, how we can work together to help each other. Like you can say like a consultancy 1v1 for tomorrow session. I have requested her. You can speak to Sania and you can let us know if you are interested into it, and she will schedule time of 10 to 15 minutes, 15 minutes each person, and then we can discuss in depth. For now, you can ask me the questions which I can answer in 10-15 minutes. So I would prefer to have the same order in which the introduction happened.
Okay, so I was next to got introduced. So I have many questions. First question is like जो tournament आपने बताया था जो जम्मू कश्मीर में होने वाला है, so that is age category wise or it's like open for everyone?
It's different age categories, and
Age
open will be
category
the
wise.
open will be one of the age category, one of the
Oh,
categories.
okay, and it's also for girls.
Yes,
Okay, so second question, I'll just चार
yes,
पांच
yes.
क्वेश्चन है so फटाफट. Okay, futsal का ball जो होता है, okay, so are we, so in that tournament the same ball is used or उसके ring
Any
football और
futsal,
futsal का
any
any,
futsal ball,
so the ball is same, so which is not
almost same,
ज़्यादा bounce नहीं होता है वो वाला ball, right?
almost same. Yeah. Any futsal
Okay,
ball. We ourselves are gonna make a proper ring football ball, but it
okay,
is the same. The context is same of futsal.
okay. The decathlon का example था, so उसमें वो, are you talking about the puck goals or you are talking
No,
about the metal one?
metal one.
Metal one. Okay. Can I get the license ka category? What you said, like A, B, C. Basically, I
Yes.
am currently AIFF C. I've done my
Wow.
scouting, goalkeeping, and everything. So I
Wow.
want to jump into ring football because abhi ye situation mein there'll be less about 11v11 games. Okay, and
Mhm.
as I'm the admin of Rush, so
Very nice.
I'm quite more interesting to talk to you on this topic. So we are trying to get ring football or the small sided games. हम लोग ने अभी तक उसको नाम नहीं दिया है, but it's like small sided games. Okay, so now
Yes,
ring
yes.
football is a like good name. So we can, I'm going to add that thing in our program. Okay,
Super.
also it will be good because कोरोना की वजह से there will be less 11v11 game क्योंकि उसमें crowd होएगा, ये होएगा. So 4v4 it's a good concept where
Perfect.
8 people on field and they can just play and just move on. Okay,
Super.
so is the, what license are there? Like उसमें license का category क्या है?
See, currently you're from Mumbai suburb or Mumbai city? Which?
I stay in Borivali,
Okay, so it's a
but
Mumbai suburb.
currently I'm in Mulund now. So I
Okay.
got two houses. So
Mulund is also Mumbai suburb.
Mumbai city, yeah.
Mumbai suburb. Both are
Subs.
Mumbai suburb.
Okay.
Okay. So what I'll do is whatever help you require for assisting with or getting associated with Ring Football, Ring Football Association of Mumbai suburb will be partnered with all your projects in that thing. Maybe you can have a partnership like technical partner or anything, and you can run the different programs. So Hustle and Academy is currently partnered with Indian Ring Football Federation.
Okay.
In the same way, you can associate the associated Rush or your own academy if you have your own separate academy or you are working in Rush Academy. So you can
Rush, only Rush. It's
okay.
only Rush. Also,
So,
one more question to add over here. Is it only in Mumbai? Because we have 14 centers around India. So is it possible to get?
So local people of that association will get partner. Rush on the marketing front, we can associate with Indian organization.
Okay.
So direct assistance, city association will give, but partnership or collaboration. So it's same like Indian Olympic Association. If the game is included in Indian Olympic Association, the body gets recognized on the higher organization. However, the direct, so first point of contact for those people will be Mumbai suburb people.
Okay, one last question. Whenever there are selections, okay, of district का selections हुआ या फिर किसका, so you guys announce that there is a selection or you give opportunity to the clubs or the academies to get their team. What exactly?
So what we do is from all the coaches of that area or the coaches or referees, we appoint one selector. The panel of selector are three people, one coach, one referee, one manager. So these three people in the city association go to the city league. There will be city league in every city. In
Okay.
that city league, they will shortlist the players, and they will then announce the player. This will be the standard structure. However, city associations are open to amend their own way of executing things, because they are the people who are working on the ground level. So
Okay.
so if you get associated with me, I'll also get you on board in the Mumbai Suburb Association, so that you can work more effortlessly and more smoothly, and you can also so understand this. Mumbai Suburb Association is nothing but union of coaches. So for
Okay.
example, there are 10-15 coaches or 10-15 clubs, so they come together and they form the association of that particular city. Okay, and one club take up the work of secretary, one person take the work of joint secretary, and they do it voluntarily, like your college festival. You are aware, right?
Yeah.
In college festival or in sports day, all the teachers are allocated with some volunteer work,
Yeah.
and they execute it. So
Correct.
it is not that as a club your only role is to dedicate your time to the academy or to the students. If you are getting associated with Ring Football Association, you have to give the voluntary time, but in return there will be no exchange of money, because I myself am
Yeah,
working without money. I
that's
mean,
fine
we are
to grow
working on it.
football. Yes, to just to grow football. That's it.
Yes, just to grow
Yeah.
football.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
so
Because
your
currently I'm also working with St. Andrews College, Bandra.
wow,
Okay,
super,
so we have started. So like this is my fourth year where वो लोग का sports day होता है. So we organize a ring football. So
very
we
nice, super,
do 4v4, but each team should be having a girl in a team,
very
like
nice, very nice,
4v4 and a girl. So that's
very
quite
nice.
interesting. It's interclass, but we are trying to get like a few colleges like Wilson और ये लोग सब लोग साथ में Catholic colleges साथ में आएगा, तो
I'll
it
give
will
you
be a
few
big,
more people who are interested now playing football.
yeah,
I'll give all the, so with working with the association, it is a benefit that a lot of people will
contacts. We get
yeah, a lot of
contacts.
people will work in your organization because they are interested into it. So ring football is not just 4v4, it's 3v3, 4v4, 5v5, but the standard is 4v4.
4v4. Okay.
So so we have competitions which are gonna get organized in malls also, but they will be 3v3. For
Oh,
4v4 will be also be there, and 5v5 will be there. But 3v3 is the 4v4 is the standard one.
okay. ठीक है. Thanks Ankit.
Any more questions?
No thanks.
Oh, perfect. Next, Sagar, right?
Yeah. No, I don't have any questions, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Do you want me to speak to your parents in the next or tomorrow's session regarding consultancy about what needs to be done, not just in football, but any other questions if you have what to do? Then you can speak to Sania. She will fix up an appointment or she will fix up a time schedule, and I can speak to your parents about how to help you what needs to be done. You can ask me any questions in that session. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Perfect. Next, Sashikant, you want to go ahead and speak?
No, sir. No question. Thank you.
Are you sure? No questions at all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You found my session boring, I guess. That's why no questions.
No, sir. No, sir. It's good. It's good session.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Next, Gagan,
No, sir. I'm too clear to be clear with your session.
are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the end of the session, I'll be asking one question to all of you all. I want an honest answer from your side. Okay, everyone.
Avinesh and Raja.
Avinesh, I would ask you to go next. Avinesh, you want to ask any question?
Next, Raja, if you have any.
No, sir, I have no question.
Sure, only one person asking me all the questions. Okay, guys. I want an honest review. So this is the first time I'm speaking to you all. Sania is a very dear friend of mine. She approached me that she wants to do something something in sports industry, and she asked me how we can get incorporated. She wanted to get into education platform where providing information and all, and we came up with an idea. Let's provide information by this ring football mastery course. I want an honest feedback from your side, whether this course or this alliance with Hustle and Hit, was it a success, or do you liked it, or do you think, what are the feedback, like was it helpful for you? What things you liked and what things you didn't like? I'm talking about all the sessions which has happened previously, because if you give me an feedback on this as an administrator, it can help us to create policies which will work in favor of you. Understand the reason why we are working day and night, because we want players to get employed, coaches to get employed, and our whole country to grow financially. If ring football grows, it will create tourism hub for entire world to come in India to play, and to create a market where we earn from tourism, we earn from merchandising, we earn from endorsement, we earn from television rights which are getting sold, the content, and the players get a platform to perform, and then the whole ecosystem, the sports industry, get benefit out of it. So this is the vision we have, and to promote this vision, we need Hustle and Hit Academy, the people like Sanya to get associated with us. So, so the base of the alliance is that it should help y'all. So if it is helping y'all, then how is it helping? I need an honest review from y'all. If there are any feedbacks, then that will also be very helpful. So I expect the answers, whatever, good, bad, at least some answer I want. Just don't give me a blank no, or no questions or something like that. Whatever you feel, just make one sentence. Whatever you feel, the whatever was your experience, give it. Even if it is bad, I'm ready to take negative feedback also. So don't think I am. I only am looking for a good perspective. So whatever is your honest review, let me know now. In the same order we spoke. Nishad, can I start with you?
Okay. So I'll start with positive. Like Sanya ma'am is a good person who is guiding everything to us. The activities were also good. What we did. Okay, but see, in my case, I'm already a licensed coach, so
Okay.
already the knowledge is like overloaded in my head. Okay, and
Correct.
again to get a knowledge is good, but कभी कभी एक क्वेश्चन मार्क हो जाता है कि फुटबॉल में ऐसा है, रिंग फुटबॉल में ऐसा क्यों है. So that is quite confusing me every time. So that is why I keep on asking questions to all the instructor personally and also on Zoom call.
Okay.
Negative point, there was no negative point, but I personally feel the nutrition part was too deep. Okay, which should not be for a coach, because see, in any academy if you go, there are nutrition who are doing nutrition job. Okay, what we can guide is only the basic thing, कि हम लोग को ये करना चाहिए, क्या खाना चाहिए पोस्ट वर्कआउट, प्री वर्कआउट एंड ड्यूरिंग वर्कआउट. Okay, during session, post session, and in session what to do. uh, Final was the first aid part. So I'm already certified first aid coach. Okay, I've done my level 1 and level 2 from Somaya College. Hello.
Yeah. Been here.
Aniket got disconnected, I think.
Maybe some network issue. You can proceed.
Okay, so I've done my.
Okay, Nishad, we can proceed. Meanwhile, we'll join back again.
Okay, so I've done my first aid level 1, level 2 from Somaya College. So the first aid, maybe again, if you just give a basic knowledge for the coaches or for the players, क्योंकि क्या होता है कि वी आर नॉट डॉक्टर्स, क्योंकि डॉक्टर्स करना है तो इट्स लाइक 7 years ऑफ स्टडीज एंड यू हैव टू डू दैट. इवन डॉक्टर्स जब भी करते हैं तो it's like they are little scared to do all those things, CPR or वो सब. So like coaches, if it's first aid, then just give basic knowledge, not CPR, and the thing which was taught on the first aid day session. Okay, rest all was fine. Thank you,
Okay.
Sanya.
Next, can we have next person on board?
Yeah, sorry. There was a network problem. So yeah, so pointers. So hello. Am
Yeah.
I audible? Yeah. So as Mr. Nishad said that yes, the the first aid part and the nutrition one. So yeah, few basic knowledge should be given, and it was educational, but it was too deep. So we were not that much to understand, but yeah, it was good. The whole 30 days were great. So yeah, it was a good experience. Just two of these things were quite too
What
deep.
about injuries? You found injuries part interested?
Yeah, it was interesting. There were many things that I learned for the first time. Like the drills, I never got to know them. But after the session, I knew many things. So Aniket sir is back again. Hello, sir.
Yes, yes. Sorry, I got disconnected. Continue.
Yes, sir. So I should continue from the starting, or should I?
No, no, no. You continue.
Okay, okay, okay. So yeah, it was a very enjoying journey, and there were few things that were so no, it was actually good. Thank you.
Any negative feedback you have?
So your voice is breaking.
Any negative feedback?
Yes, only two of them, the first aid and the nutrition one. But it was just too deep, but it was knowledge. It was education. So
So too deep.
okay.
Okay.
They meant the nutrition part and the basic aid knowledge, which were conducted. The content was too deep.
Okay. Okay. No problem. No problem. Next, anybody wants? Sorry, Nishad. Last part I was not able to hear you. You want to
So
complete this?
yeah, I can complete. So basic. Okay, so basically the first aid part. Okay, so we were taught about CPR and everything. Okay, which is like I've done my first aid course level 1 and 2 from Somaya College. So उधर भी हम लोग को बोला गया था first aid that doesn't mean after getting certificate you are doctors, because doctors का studies है वो 7-8 साल का रहता है, and again even doctors are scared to do CPR because that may cost someone's life. Okay, so I personally feel that it's better if you, for the coaches and the players, if you just give a basic knowledge of first aid, like wound हुआ, swollen हुआ, ankle twist हुआ, इसका हम लोग knowledge दे सकते हैं. But to get into that heart and pumping thing, okay, it's quite difficult क्योंकि उसका pressure कम हुआ, उसका pressure ज़्यादा हुआ. So again, that is the toughest part. And the nutrition part, what I was talking is the calculation part जो रहता है, जो ये calories and everything that to calculate, that is quite tough and quite deep for us, for me especially, because हम लोग के क्लास में तो nutrition के लिए we have separate nutrition who takes recall and everything. Okay, but coaches should be more on ground. That's what I feel.
Not a problem. No, I think your point is absolutely valid. And I would request Sania to please address that if we can keep Nishad in one of the advisory committees for the future sessions, because I think experienced coaches like him, we require their consultancy before creating any module. So for the next module, I would request from my side that if you are to,
Sure.
To be on board with us on the advisory panel. So we will create a module, we will forward it to 11 advisors, and if you are one of them, I would request you to accept that position and help us guide and create a better module for the next session, whatever we create. Okay?
Sure.
Then after Sagar, I think Shashikant, can you help me?
Gagan, Avinesh, Shashikant.
Hello, sir. It was a very good all this session. I got a lots of knowledge as a player. I
I
enjoyed
think
the
this initiative which Sania has taken is useful and it is helping you.
yes, sir.
I'm, I'm glad to know about that. And any negative feedbacks?
So voice is breaking, sir.
Was
Any,
beautiful.
any negative feedbacks?
Aniket, if you can just check, your voice is cracking.
Any negative
There is some
feedbacks?
irritation from your end, it seems. If you can just check.
Okay. Now is it proper? Okay, I'm able to hear you all, so you all continue with it. And Sanya,
Okay,
you'll
sir.
just keep continuing.
Avinesh and Shahjan, if we can have your feedbacks.
Can I start with you?
Yes.
So, hello.
Yes, I'm listening.
Yes, I too found this session too knowledgeable for me. I got too much knowledge about ring football. This type of football I was not knowing also means there's a type in football like ring. Means I have played a turf game of 4v4 but not with this knowledge that I've got in this session. The about the injuries, about the rules, deep rules, the dimensions, and what nutritions we get and all. Yes, thank you. Just I want to say this, Prashant.
Nice, thanks. Next. Next.
Shahjan and Avinesh. If you can just give your feedbacks.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. First time and this course is informed my NIS coach relevant sir. Then I'm not thinking I vastly applied this course. Then so many information are giving nutrition rules and regulations and state. So many informations are given in football. So this is very informative session every day.
Any negative feedback?
Hello?
Yes. Any negative feedback also you have?
No, sir. No negative feedback. So it's a very wonderful session all over. So no negative feedback.
Thank you.
Avinash, you can. Avinesh. Rest all are done, it seems, yeah.
Okay.
Avinesh, are you there?
Avinesh, we are waiting for you. I think there is some issue with.
Yeah, he has unmuted, but he's not audible.
There is some voice issue, not a problem.
Okay, we share our feedback forms with each of you on all our guest sessions as well as the overall review for the course. Thank you, Aniket. We had a great session with you. We hope to have a one-to-one interactive session tomorrow. All those who are interested for one-to-one
Your voice is breaking. You are not audible. You are not audible to us.
Maybe.
Hello.
Yes, maybe it's some technical issue. That's why. She will get connected.
Aniket sir, where are you from?
I'm from Mumbai. I stay in Andheri West.
Andheri.
I also have one turf in this Lokhandwala.
Okay.
First person, but it is with my partner. So I'm in
Okay.
partnership with other people. I have a live stream setup. So I'm into different sports help program. So what I do is I help different organizations to develop sports on their own level, so that
Okay.
it creates a environment where people support each other in sports industry. There is
Okay.
a lot of love in sports industry. So
Yeah,
like you,
exactly.
like
Sports, it's like scope plus money. There is a lot of money, but in India, it's like it's not yet that developed. If you see Neymar 4 tournament जो हुआ था ब्राजील में, one of my student was part of a India team named Scott.
very nice.
Scott.
I
So
know this Clinton D'Souza.
yeah, yeah.
So all these
So
people are good. Yes.
so they went over there. My student has shared me few videos. The amount of people, money, and sponsors. Like, अगर यही चीज इंडिया में होएगा, तो the same money will come in India.
Sir, we will create.
Yeah, we
I'll
have
challenge
to.
you ring. I'll challenge you ring football will create that ecosystem. It will be more super hit project than ISL. I can assure you that, because
Yeah,
we
yeah.
have a different plan, and that plan we are currently speaking with Gaurav Modwell also about this
Okay.
ring football. The ex owner of CEO of Pune City FC. I'm
Okay.
in talking terms. I'll request you all to take down my Instagram ID, so that in
Sure.
future you can get in touch with me. It's Aniket Kesarkar 47, Aniket.
Wait, sir, 1 minute.
Aniket.
Sir, can you please type in the chat box so we can just copy it?
Wait, I'm not very this. Okay, I can.
I got.
Let me type chat. Okay, I'm not very tech savvy, so just. And I can give you.
Sir, Avinesh has gave a feedback on the chat box. You can just check.
Okay. Very nice, very nice. I'll also share you the WhatsApp number if you all want, so
Yeah,
that
sure.
you can always let me know. Prashun or Ruturaj, all these are associated with us. They are doing this voluntarily. So if you have any, who is the coach, or who you all liked from all the sessions, or which coach or which mentor or you followed and you
So,
appreciated
Prashant
their
Tripathi.
training, or
yeah,
which is your favorite one? I
Prashul
think.
was
Prashant
quite good.
Tripathi, sir.
Okay, great.
Prashul was quite good and energetic. So every time he used
Okay,
to
very nice, very nice.
demonstrate the sessions a lot. So which helped exactly what to do and how to do it.
Very
So,
nice.
and giving his experience, sharing his
Okay.
experience with Palghar girls team and his experience, playing experience was like बोलते हैं ना ऐसा एक कुछ story बन जाता है तो और मजा आता है. You won't feel boring over there. So
Very nice.
Prashul, I feel Prashul was quite
Very
good.
nice. So Prashun and I had a special history. So there was in 2011 we had started a club called Kentorians FC, Kentorians Football Club. Before that, I was playing for Indian Tigers Football Academy. When I was very young, I was coaching under Nick Pereira. So Prashun met us in club. So this Kentorians FC was never a professional club. It was more like a friends team. Like all people are coming together, making a friend. So because of that, we learned a lot of values, and then the whole club became revolutionized. Then we had academy. Then it was a huge venture. But later on, I decided that I wanted to pursue on a higher level. My goal is to contribute on national and international level. So maybe in Indian Olympic Association, I want to contribute, or on Olympic Council of Asia, or on world body of different sports. I am coming up with esports also. So I want to contribute on national level. That's the reason why everywhere my photo is also Indian Army or something related to India. So India is the only thing which I see, and I want to dedicate my life towards. And
Exactly.
I hope that some or the other way, you all can do something for our country. Even a small contribution, even if you make one player, that's going to change the history of our country. So I would request you all to do something in sports, stay in sports. After learning all this, people change industry. Don't forget sports and always stay connected with it by any which means, even if it is just meeting on Sundays, on Saturdays for some derby matches. Stay connected by any.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like big proud moment because recently, 2 years back, 7 of our students got selected for Sporting Lisbon in Portugal. Okay, so they play over
Whoa,
there for third division. So it's there on
very
our
nice.
website. You can just check if you're free for to. You can just check our
Just
website.
forward me the link. I will promote it. I will promote it.
Yeah,
I have
so
a
it's
Dashek channel. I'll make my editor, ask my editor to write content about it. Shoot some videos.
sure.
Send the videos to our editor. They will edit it and they will post and they will give you the link so that you can share it to many people. We will
Cool.
promote the country definitely.
Cool. Yeah, 6 months back, one of the students scored a goal. So like, it came in the article over there in Portugal. So I was showing all my kids that see, this is the guy who I trained when he was 11 years old, 12 years old, and now he's 16, 17 and playing for Sporting Lisbon. It was the like proud moment when our Indian goes and plays over there for their club and earn money over there. It's like good thing. Again disconnected. बाकी लोग है कि सब लोग डिस्कनेक्ट है सागर
Yes,
शशिकांत
sir, I'm over here.
yeah so also to add a thing we time है तो बता देता हूँ we have a webinar tomorrow okay if anyone
Yes, sir.
interested can join it's on tennis
Uh,
hockey and football
when? What time?
4 o'clock 4 o'clock को टेनिस है 5 o'clock को हॉकी है 6 o'clock को फुटबॉल है so we
Okay,
have
okay, sir.
international players coming on the board and talking about their journey so just message me personally I'll share you the link of it and you can get registered for it it's free
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir. Give me your WhatsApp number.
ग्रुप में है ना ग्रुप में
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Ah, yeah. Okay, sir. I just forgot.
yeah so you can just request me
Sure,
for
sir.
the link so I'll send you the link and you can get registered for it and it's free of cost
Sure, sir.
nothing
Sure.
to pay also we are starting with our
Okay.
YouTube channel also so we'll be having our YouTube channel and YouTube channel के ऊपर जो fan talk होता है so like I'm Barcelona fan Sagar is Real Madrid fan so we will be talking so I'll be defending Barcelona he'll be defending Real Madrid so if I say अरे if he says कि सागर says कि अरे ये टाइम हम लोग ला लीगा जीता है तो I'll say कि ओके हम लोग तो पहले भी इतना जीता है so I'll just get a history तो बोलते ना वो जब भी दो फ्रेंड्स मिलते और बात करते क्लब के बारे में सो वैसा कुछ
Yes.
if you want you can just check out the YouTube channel of Rush it's good अभी ये साल
Okay,
तो
sir. Thank you, sir.
ये साल तो फुटबॉल चालू नहीं होएगा MDFA इट्स क्वाइट वेरी लाइक हम लोग भी ये साल हम लोग का भी प्लान था कि हम लोग आई लीग 2 में टीम डालने वाले थे बट अभी ये सिचुएशन में तो मुश्किल है बहुत
शायद आई लीग 2 स्टार्ट होने वाला है आई थिंक
नहीं होएगा वी आर इनटू
नहीं होगा
हाँ नहीं होएगा क्योंकि टीम्स ही बहुत सारे टीम्स बैकआउट कर रहा है क्योंकि वो लोग के
हाँ
पास
दैट
फंड
प्लेइंग
का
आई थिंक नॉकआउट
फंड का
फॉर
इशू
आई
है
लीग प्रमोशन
और
हाँ यस
अगर आई लीग इफ यू वांट अ क्लब टू प्ले आई लीग अभी उसके लिए क्वालिफिकेशन नहीं यू कैन जस्ट पे द अमाउंट विच इज
यस
लाइक
यस
5 or 6 crore and you can just enter आई लीग डायरेक्टली क्योंकि अभी AIFF के पास पैसा ही नहीं है क्या करेगा वो भी
यस आई एम आल्सो सर्चिंग अ क्लब फॉर आई लीग 2 और आई लीग
आई लीग तो मुंबई का एक ही इशू है वो केंकरे खाली खेलता है आई लीग
किंग हाँ
अनिकेत सर इज हियर अगेन
ओनली
अनिकेत
किंग
सर या तो अभी वही पहला मुंबई एफसी था वो अच्छा था कि
हाँ
एक
एक
तो
क्लब तो
प्लेटफॉर्म
रहना
था
चाहिए
या
ये मुंबई सिटी एफसी इज लाइक ओनली मल्ली
Yeah. Aniket sir is here.
Yes.
I think there is some issue. That's the reason why it is getting disconnected.
Yes.
However, not a problem. I think we are done for today. Sania also wanted to do the same. So let's leave the group and
Okay.
get in touch with Sania, and she will update you for this.
Okay.
I'll take
Yes.
leave of you all, and it
Yeah.
was pleasure talking to you all. Sorry for the interruption. There was some issues. That's why maybe. And hope we see 1v1 the sessions. Then yeah, I have
Uh,
contacts in Spain also for residential academies. I have few contacts with some residential projects coming up. So I'll help players to with that, and for coaches and managers, I can help you with the career path which they can get associated with. Let's see in 1v1 session.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Then
Thank
we
you.
will do that.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Thank you. Same.
Thank you, Nisha,
Bye.
sir.
Thanks everyone. Thanks
Thank you,
Aniket.
sir.
Bye. See you.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.